Today I want to show you how to convert a PDF into Excel. Over here you will see that I have my PDF. However, there's a table on it and I would like for that to be onto Excel. The way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to click on Data over here. I'm going to click on Get Data and then From File. Over here you will also see there are many options that you can choose from. However, today I'm keeping it simple and I'm going to select From PDF. I'm going to select my PDF and then click on Import. Once I have imported, you will see that you are now able to select your table. Over here, you will see this is my table that I want to import. That is the exact same match that is on the PDF. You are also able to select multiple tables at once if you had more than one table on your PDF. We will now go ahead and we will load our data. Over here, you will see we have two options. We can load or we can transform data. If you select the transform data option, you will be able to change any of the information before loading. Today, we will only be loading and not change any information. Over here, you will see we have now imported the table from our PDF and we are now able to work on it on the Excel spreadsheet.